Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding 20 very important multiple choice questions for the preparation of entrance exams for Master of Public Health MPH and Master of Hospital Administration MHA for various university and institutes like ICMR Bhubaneswar, Common University in Trent Test, CUT PG, AIMS Raipur, AIMS Rishikesh, AIMS Jodhpur, जिपमेर पुडुचेरी, क्रिश्चियन मेडिकल कॉलेज वेल्लूर, IIPH, निमहांस बेंगलोर, लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी, पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी, राजस्थान यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ हेल्थ साइंसेज, and for all other university and institutes which conducts public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital administration, MPH, MHA, MSc Zoology, MSc Botany and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. Here first question is total number of bone found in man. Total number of bone found in man. Options are A 212, B 206, C 202, D 200. Correct answer is option B 206. Total number of bone found in man is 206. So total 206 bones are found in man. Question number second. Total number of bone found in child. Total number of bone found in child. Options are A 200, B 206, C 300. D 306. Correct answer is option C 300. Total number of bone found in child 300. So 300 bones are found in child. Question number 3. Number of bone found in skull. Number of bone found in skull. Options are A 8, B 30, C 32, D 34. Correct answer is option A 8. Number of bone found in skull. So number of bone found in skull is 8. Next question is pair of ribs found in man. Pair of ribs found in man. Options are A 12, B 10, C 14, D 11. Correct answer is option A 12. Pair of ribs found in man 12. So 12 pair of ribs found in man. Next question is strongest bone of body is found in. Strongest bone of body is found in. Options are A thigh, B jaw, C shoulder, D neck. Correct answer is option B jaw. Strongest bone of body is found in jaw. Next question is smallest bone of human body is. Smallest bone of human body is. Options are A nails, B fibula, C bone of nose, D steps. Correct answer is option D steps. Smallest bone of human body is steps. So steps is the smallest bone of human body. Next question is energy is stored in liver and muscles in form of. Energy is stored in liver and muscles in form of. Options are A fat, B protein, C carbohydrate, D glycogen. Correct answer is option D glycogen. Energy is stored in liver and muscles in form of glycogen. So energy is stored in liver and muscles in form of glycogen. Next question is longest bone found in man. Longest bone found in man. Options are A steps, B fibula, C tibia, D femur. Correct answer is option D femur. Longest bone found in man femur. So femur is the longest bone found in man. Femur is the longest bone found in man. Next question is which blood vessels carry pure blood from the lungs to the heart? Which blood vessels carry pure blood from the lungs to the heart? Options are A pulmonary arteries, B cardiac arteries, C cardiac vein, D pulmonary veins. Correct answer is option D pulmonary veins. So which blood vessels carry pure blood from the lungs to the heart? Correct answer is pulmonary veins. Pulmonary veins arteries. So pulmonary veins vessels carry pure blood from the lungs to the heart. Pulmonary veins vessels carry pure blood from the lungs to the heart. So this is very important question. Which blood vessels carry pure blood from the lungs to the heart? Correct answer is pulmonary veins. Next question is bone found in leg of man is. Bone found in leg of man is. Options are A porous, B hollow, C solid, D none of these. Correct answer is option B hollow. Bone found in leg of man is hollow. Next question is the bone tibia is found in. The bone tibia is found in. Options are A. Skull, B. Leg, C. Arm, D. Mouth. Correct answer is option B. Leg. The bone tibia is found in leg. Next question is presence of excess fluorine in water causes. Presence of excess fluorine in water causes. Options are A. Fluorosis, B. Respiratory disease, C. Dental cavity, D. Tooth decay. Correct answer is option A. Fluorosis. Presence of excess fluorine in water causes fluorosis. So presence of excess fluorine in water causes fluorosis. Next question is the element found in bone and teeth. The element found in bone and teeth. Options are A. Potassium and calcium, B. Calcium and magnesium, C. Calcium and phosphorus, D. Phosphorus and sulfur. Correct answer is option C. Calcium and phosphorus. The element found in bone and teeth are calcium and phosphorus. So element found in bone and teeth are calcium and phosphorus. Element found in bone is calcium and element found in teeth is phosphorus. Next question is bone of man became weak in old age due to bone of man became weak in old age due to. Options are A. Deficiency of iodine, B. Deficiency of iron, C. Deficiency of calcium, D. Deficiency of cobalt. Correct answer is option C. Deficiency of calcium. Bone of man became weak in old age due to deficiency of calcium. So bone of man became weak in old age due to deficiency of calcium. Next question is bones joined with muscles with the help of. Bones joined with the muscles with the help of. Options are A. Ligament, B. Tendon, C. Cartilage, D. Small muscles. Correct answer is option B. Tendon. Bones joined with muscles with the help of tendon. So bone joined with muscles with the help of tendon. Next question is which of the following salt is found in bone in largest amount? Which of the following salt is found in bone in largest amount? Options are A. Calcium phosphate, B. Sodium chloride, C. Ferric nitrate, D. Magnesium carbonate. Correct answer is option A. Calcium phosphate. So calcium phosphate salt is found in bone in largest amount. Calcium phosphate is the salt which is found in bone in largest amount. Next question is how many teeth in man comes out twice? How many teeth in man comes out twice? Options are A. 4, B. 12, C. 20, D. 28. Correct answer is option C. 20. So 20 teeth in man comes out twice. 20 teeth in man comes out twice. Next question is most of the digestion occur in which part of alimentary canal of man? Most of the digestion occur in which part of alimentary canal of man? Options are A. Pancreas, B. Small intestine, C. Large intestine, D. Stomach. Correct answer is option B. Small intestine. Most of the digestion occur in small intestine part of alimentary canal of man. Most of the digestion occur in small intestine part of alimentary canal of man. Next question is digestion started in man from. Digestion started in man from. Options are A. Rectum, B. Stomach, C. Mouth, D. Intestine. Correct answer is option C. Mouth. Digestion started in man from mouth. Next question is length of alimentary canal of man is approximately. Length of alimentary canal of man is approximately. Options are A. 16 feet, B. 18 feet, C. 22 feet, D. 32 feet. Correct answer is option D. 32 feet. Length of alimentary canal of man is approximately 32 feet. So in this video, information regarding 20 very important multiple choice questions has been given for the preparation of entrance exam for public health, hospital administration, MSc Zoology, Botany and for other competitive exams for various university and institutes like CUT, PG, ICMR, AIMS, JIPMET, Christian Medical College, IIPH, NIMHANS, Lucknow University, Pune University, Rajasthan University of Health Sciences, King George Medical College, Lucknow and for all other university and institutes which conducts public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes public health and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.